Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So let's finish up the admin section because the rest of this really is done. Our point of sale works just fine. It's just the admin area that we need to polish up a little bit. So dashboard, so we do have a dashboard, yes, but it's not here. So let's point of sale, and in the admin we have a dashboard. Okay, that's good. So what we want to do is we have users here, right? But we have nothing. But we have products, and it seems like we can just reuse what's here to create our users section. Okay, so we'll just copy the products page and just copy it to the users section. So let's give it a shot. So first of all, I'm in the admin view. Maybe let me close all files so that we can start from scratch. This is the views admin products view. Oh, is it admin view? Is it? Yes. So in the admin view, let me just duplicate this a couple of times. So this one is users. So I'm just going to select those two and say users. And this other one will be sales. So I'll just say sales. Okay. And here sales as well. Right, great. So now at least we have admin users as a view that should represent something. But we only have the products view here. So let me select all, copy, and create a new file in the admin folder. Paste this, save this. Instead of products.view, this one will be users.view. Now we can repeat this action with the cells as well. Right click, new file, paste, save. Instead of users, it's cells. Very good. Okay, at least now we have files that actually exist representing those things. Now we also need a let's see here, a controller for this, right? There's admin here. How does it work? How does the product view work? I have no idea now. Is it on the admin? Yes, that's where we get the products. Okay, so this just depends on the tab that we are on. Okay, so this is where we will do our thing. So here when the tab is products, we'll show that. If not, so which means we'll have errors. If I click here, I have that. If I click products, I need one for sales here, right? So let's go to the view again. That's the admin view. Right here where we have at the top. So from users, let's go dashboard, products, sales. Let me duplicate products and put sales there. Okay. Let me change all references of products to sales. And this, I don't know, what is the name of the icon? Is it cache? I think it's cache-wave. I'm not sure. It's been a while since I've used it, but let's refresh. No, it doesn't seem to be cache. What could it be? Maybe just cache. Or is it money? Or is it note? No. Let's try note. I have no idea what the font awesome equivalent of a cache thingy is here. Wow, nothing. That's interesting. Anyway, I'll check it out later and we can go ahead and add it there. I used to know this, but okay, so let's deal with users first. So simple and straightforward. If I go to the admin controller itself, let me duplicate this 1, 2, and put else here on both of these. Okay, so tab else tab is equal to sales, or tab is equal to sales, products, and what else? Users. So in the models we have a user model, which is good. So I can just say user, right? Instead of product, let me just get all references of product and change that to user. That should do. So user class, so users is a selector from users, order by ID descending. Very good. If I come here and refresh, nothing here. That's okay. We just need to go to now the users view file, and instead of products, of course, we're going to replace product. Don't get the S, just the product. Control D to find all references of product and change them to user. This should do the job. So for the user, we don't need a barcode, we don't need quantity and all that stuff, but let's refresh anyway and see what errors we get. So we just need, what do we need though? Username, email, and the date, okay, the image, and the row. Right. Okay, so let's change these one by one. Username, email, row. So let me remove barcode. Username, email, row, image, and then date. I think it's better if the image is at the beginning. The rest is good. Then there's add new here. Now add new will take us to user new. Okay. Wait, what? Why does it say user? Oh, because it was product new. Okay. So this would take us to just the sign up page, like so. Okay. And what else here? So let's start with barcode. Instead of barcode here, let's put image. So this is the part where the image crop user image, right? Yes. So instead, I'll move this table data to the top, right there. Okay, that way it's right at the top, the first one. And then we have username. So let me say username. What else here? The next one is a description. So the username is really the one that will take us to the user's camp. So let me remove this. Let me put username here. And then here I'm just going to say profile. This will go to the profile page. We haven't created it yet. And then ID, user ID. That's fine. And then username. So at least we have image, username. What about email? So this one, email. And the next one is row. And then we have date, right? Date. That's good. And then edit, delete, which is fine. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so let's refresh, and that's much better. So we have the email, blah, 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 blah. Add new takes us to the sign up page. The cancel button should take us back to this page. So let's copy this page. So let's go to this sign up view, And on the cancel button, this is the cancel button, we have to change the type to button so that it doesn't submit. And then we can add an A tag and then put the link over there. Cut, put that down here, and then push this inward like so. Okay, so refresh, let's add new, let's cancel, we are back here. Very good. Now we need images here, of course, and we're going to do that, but edit and delete. So these are important. We need to make the edit and delete for users and view an image at least, which is nice. So products, users, sales. Okay, so let's continue in the next video.